Hey guys, today's recipe is special because we usually make it with a couple of other things for a Sunday feast. But if you want to make it in the week, it is super simple to make. And I am making ALU Tamatar Masala, which is potato and tomato curry. And it's super simple, so delicious. So let's get cooking. So I'm using 5 potatoes, just medium sized potatoes. I like to use the Desiree potatoes, which is the red potatoes. I just love that they are a perfect all-rounder and they taste really delicious in curries. And once I've peeled the potatoes, I'm chopping it up into small pieces and then going to put it in cold water, bring it to a boil, and then just cook it for 4-5 minutes, however long it takes for the potatoes to soften up and cook through. And while the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to start preparing the tomatoes for it. So I have got some ginger and garlic and I'm going to chop it up finely, some curry leaves and some green chilies. And then just roughly chop 4 to 5 medium sized tomatoes. Just start with a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, or any other oil you'd like to use. And I'm just going to add a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, the green chilies, ginger garlic and curry leaves. And once they start to get a little bit of color, I'm going to add in the tomatoes. Then cover and cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes until softened. And just to check if the potatoes are done, if you get one potato and use a knife, go straight through. That is definitely, come on, quite difficult to do it one-handed. Right, it's cutting straight through, so that's the potatoes done. Ten minutes and these tomatoes are nice and soft and ready for the spices. So I've got half a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala. Then goes in the potatoes. (200 ml of boiling water), And here it is after 10 minutes. It's looking really lovely, but I still have to do one last thing. Just use a potato masher. You don't have to mash up all the potatoes. All I'm trying to do is just crush a few of them, and that is going to make this sauce really nice and flavorful and creamy. That's it. So you haven't crushed all of them, just a few, to make the curry really nice and thick. Obviously, going to finish this with a handful of fresh coriander. Of course, I have to taste it for you guys. This with piping hot puris. I'm going to share a recipe for a fantastic puri as well. So check out for that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. What am I saying? Hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. So wait for that. And this is like a Sunday feast. So you've got a fantastic potato curry and you have got this piping hot puris, and that is like a feast for Sunday. All you need is some yogurt or some mango pickle, and that's your complete meal. And I have got this recipe and a couple others in this month's BBC GoodFood Magazine. Here is the lovely spread, Indian inspiration. So I'm going to leave the link in case you want to check that out in the description below. Come on, eat it, eat it. Basic spices. If you're using your homemade garam masala, this is going to taste fantastic because that's the only kind of really spice mix that we're using in here. It's so wholesome and it is so delicious. You can of course have it with some rice as well if that's what you want to eat it with. But whatever you do, don't forget to try it. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.